just like that. Take a look inside, see all that green waste right there. So let's go ahead and close this up. Come back in about 12 hours or so. This is a true compost machine here. It does not work like this smaller one does down here, where it dehydrates and uses a blade to cut it up. It uses microbes from a packet like this here, a cobalt packet that's basically all sorts of nutrients, all sorts of microbes, all sorts of bacteria inside. That's sort of like a husk-like material that you pour inside of this, and it creates that compost for you. So it has been about 7.5 hours here. So I just want to show you how it looks right now. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Open this up right there. And take a look at this inside here. You can see a lot of it has already composted. You can see I've got some beans still in there, but the big pieces, the big hunks of broccoli, looks like it's all gone. The strawberries that were in there, the rice, looks like it's all gone as well. Pretty awesome. It's still composting here, but it's already done a really great job. This is a big machine. It comes in at over 25 inches tall. It's 12 inches wide and 18 inches long. So it is a big machine designed to hold a lot for one time. So you don't have to empty this out every single day. Unlike this smaller one down here that you will pretty much use every single day and empty it every single day. This will hold much more.